We're getting a little bit louder, but in a little bit different way. The old pickup truck that's got 32 different audio components inside is getting some new exhaust. So what currently is on there is it is a 1999 5.3 Silverado, and I have true dualed out of the stock manifolds. It had cats, the stock cats from 1999, the pipes all the way out to a rear exit with dual Flowmaster 10s, and then 3-inch pipe after that with two 5-inch tips. So what we're doing today is getting rid of the cats because I no longer have to do emissions tests on the truck, and we are adding a speedy swirl. That's an equal length loop exhaust equalizer and an X-Pipe to smooth over the exhaust a little bit more. So that's going to wake this thing up like no other. So I'm really excited. So I'm out here at Alvin Auto Care, and great group of guys doing what I ask, and they're allowing me to film. So that's the win-win-win-win, brother. So follow along and let's go see what I'm going to do the whole story time and share before and after. So this is the exhaust stock, or well, not stock, but the exhaust as it sits. And it's nice, but the thing is with those pickup trucks, there is a pipe that goes across underneath and adds one of the true dual pipes has 12 inches longer than the other. So that's where the Speedy's swirl comes into play, and it equals the piping length all the way down. And that gives you more of a Corvette or a sports car style sound over being just some old choppy pickup truck. So it's small tweaks. And then without the cats, man, those cats are from 1999. It's not like they're filtering anything anyway. Plus, I don't have to get emissions tests. So it's kind of like, what are you doing on here, brother? You know, I'll put them on the side of the road and wait for the crackheads to run. These are the stock cats, you know, from 1999. They got to go, bro. Or they had to go. They're already gone. This is the pipe that's going right down. They're wrapping up the X-Pipe right now, and man, oh man, dude, it looks really, really good. I wanted to give Alvin Auto Care a real big shout out because, you know, there's some shops that wanna push their agenda. I came in here with a battle plan, and they took my battle plan and they ran with it, and that is amazing. So honestly, they could have charged me double because they are letting me do whatever I want to do, and I really respect that. So if you need anything, a good small town shop. If you live in if you live in a surrounding city, run on down to Alvin Auto Care and get your shit done. Very friendly crew, great prices, nice folk. for them gas fumes though, man. So I'm really happy with how everything came out. I'd say from the difference between, you know, before and after, it feels so much more open, like wide open. Wah! Like when you really get down on it, you fucking stomp on it, bro. It's different. This truck's never made that super, you know, right? I can't explain it. It's so much better, but I like it, man. It's got a really nasty, deep rumble like that. I know I need to replace those Flowmaster Super 10s just because they're old, not because I don't like them. So I will be in the market for a new set of mufflers that I can put in there and just give it maybe a little different tone, maybe a deeper tone of you know, but I really like the way it is, and man, does it scream down the road. Good God, dude. Woo! And you know, yesterday I did play this, my system full blast, and I was romping on it full blast. You can still hear the system over the exhaust. So, you know, hey, you win some, you lose some. You know, you live by the sword, you die by the sword, bro, and that's just the way it is. But yeah, I'm really happy with how that is, and you know, that's just the next evolution. Maybe some more updates or upgrades down along the line. But I wanted to give a big shout out to Alvin Auto Care. They really took care of me well, and they were very polite people. So if you're in a surrounding town, go check out Alvin Auto Care, or if you're in Alvin there too, swing on into Alvin Auto Care and get whatever you need done. Nice guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All those exhaust people, I know exhaust people love exhaust videos. What you gonna do, bro? And I hope this one tickled that fancy. So thank you guys, and peace.